I'm always one of these people who loves to see something new. And just today, I saw a video on YouTube about Elon Musk, who has developed a $10,000 house.
I've just been looking at that.
Did you see it?
I know. Did.
And it's a fold-up house. And I do think that there is, there is an IKEA house and all sorts of stuff. And I do think that is going to happen at one point, similar to porter cabins. Okay, and they've been around for decades. It's an old company, and you can actually build a block of flats with porter cabins. In fact, some big sites in London look like they're a block of flats, and that's just their site offices. So I do think that there's a lot of stuff that could be done. And we've got all kinds of other stuff coming through. SIPs, of course, in the last 20 years. ICF now, which is becoming fairly popular. And a lot of these things speed the process up, and it takes the skill away, which in some cases, if you can't find the right skills, or you do need to build quickly, then I do think there's a place for them, providing it's done in the right hands.
Yeah, I'd like to see this whole modular box that for the £10,000 home, whether it's going to have longevity. But when I first saw it, I looked at it and I thought, it can't have longevity. But then when you think back to the tin houses that were built after the war, that were only supposed to be there for 10 years to get people housed, they're still here.
I know. I mean, it's incredible, isn't it, when you consider that, even some of after the Second World War in South London, they were putting extensions on the back of houses with cranes, and they would crane in these prefabbed bathrooms, because they didn't have a bathroom, over the top of the houses in Rose Hill, because my wife's late nan had one of these houses, and it was just plonked on the back, and they was meant to be a temporary measure as well, but they were still there. They're still there now. So
really?
Yeah.
This radio.